Hey folks, welcome Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons and Rock Talk. What do we have here? We have a nice Washburn acoustic guitar here. The model number on here is D10BK. A buddy of mine, Rick, gave me this guitar to take a look at and said it wasn't sounding so great. So gave it a few little strum chords. I played it a little earlier and it actually sounds pretty good. So I'm going to just go through the steps that I go through just to take a look at the guitar and satisfy myself and satisfy him to know that his guitar is in good shape or not. Anyways, I'm going to move the camera around, and this is just going to be a video of myself doing some work and just watching what I do. Might have some music in the background. You never know. Anyways, stick around. Thanks. All right, let's start looking at this guitar. So one of the first things I do, I inspect the body. I just do a visual inspection. And to me, it actually looks pretty good. One thing I noticed here is the when you put the strings on, I would have wound them a few more times, but that's okay, Rick. You're a good guy. I am going to check the neck, but before I do that, I'm going to find my tuner, and I'm going to make sure the guitar is in tune. So I got this Dario tuner here. It's pretty cool. I got a video on it. Of course I do. So if you want to take a look at that video, it's got a lot of hits. Check out, there's a link. I'm just going to tune this up, see where it's at. I could tell already that the tuning pegs, I'm going to see if I get this in camera a little more. There. I noticed the tuning peg here, it's slipping. Not a big deal. So far, so good. Oops. Actually, this tuner isn't too bad. What tuner do you guys use? Do you use a Snark tuner or do you use one of these Darios? Okay, the guitar is in tune, so that's good. Then I'll come over and I'll take my leveler here for the neck just to take a look and see if it's level. Oh. Yeah, his neck goes like this. We'll have to straighten out his neck. Wow. I'll get the camera here to show you what it looks like. And yeah, we'll have to fix that. So I'm gonna bring the camera around and I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right. So here it is. You can clearly see that there's a space there. Oh, it's a gap. So we'll adjust his neck on here and he'll be happy. But I will continue on and I will check out the guitar. So that's one thing we're going to do. While I'm at it, I'm just going to check the intonation on here. See how it is. Sounds good there on the E. A little high. All right. So did the intonation on there. I don't think it's too bad on acoustic guitars. It's a little difficult to and challenging to change the intonation on here because you got to take this off and you got to file these down. It's a pain, but it's pretty good. So far we just have to fix the neck. Another thing I'd like to check is, well, the body. You could feel it's dry and rough, so we'll polish that up. Strings look like they're new on here. Everything on the bridge looks good on here. These are nice and tight. The strings were in here properly. So the only thing right now that I noticed that I had to do is this was loose here, the A. So I'm just going to give all these little snug up. Yeah, you can see I can just turn that with a screwdriver. So I'm going to check these out. I don't know if you can see that on it. Yeah, you can see it on camera too. Remember, you don't want to go too snug, because if you go too snug, you won't be able to turn it. You see how loose it is there, right? So I'll stretch over and do these ones. Sometimes when they're loose, you'll have an issue with tuning. So put the tuner back on. We'll tune this up. See, that eight tuning peg is much better. That's there. That's good. Cool. So I'm just going to take a look at some other stuff, put some music on. If I need to talk and let you know about some stuff, I'll let you know. But just hang out. These have to be snugged up a little too. There's one that was kind of loose. Shabby. Actually, nice guitar. Done. I am going to take my... I guess I could do this. I'll just use some of my rulers here to see how high this is. Should be about 0.8 to 1. We got just over 1 centimeter there, which is okay. Usually these are a little lower. The action, we'll check it with the action gauge. To fix that, you'd have to take this off and sand it down and bring it down, but we're okay. We're okay now with that. So I'm going to use this string height measuring device here. You see me use this before. Acoustic guitar should be 2 to 2.5 millimeters. So let's see, here we are on the 12th fret. 2 to 2.5. Like I said, the action's high on here. It's actually, well, 3.5. It's the highest. Yeah, we could probably get that action a little lower, but not today. Take a look on this side. What are we at here? We're about 2.75. How was that on here? Yeah, it's a little high, but it's okay if Rick wants the action lowered. That's not an issue. We could always do that. But I'm sure he's playing mostly up here than if you're playing down here. So really that's it. I'm just going to make the neck adjustment on this guitar. I'm going to look more at the frets. There's no wear on them because it's a new guitar. Can they be polished? Sure they can. Can we put some neck conditioner on here? May do that because that might be the right thing to do. And we'll polish it up. So that's a video, a quick video on that. I just wanted to show you this cool guitar here and let you know what I'm going to do to it. Please subscribe. I've got more videos on here. It really helped me out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, take care and rock on. Yeah.